And today, Colty and I are going to bring to you Mecha. This is a transforming robot. It's construction equipment that looks like dinosaurs, and they all go together to make one big robot.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Yeah!
All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we're going to have. Are you excited?
Yeah, we're going to have a robot.
Is that so cool?
Yeah. Look at us on the side.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's so cool.
All right, let's see. Oh, you have some instructions.
Yes, instructions.
Here we go. We're just going to dump it out.
Yeah, this is the map.
The map?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
map.
it's true. It kind of is a map.
Yeah.
And look at all these cars, dude. Let's start taking them out.
I don't know this one is, but it's tiny.
Look, here's an excavator that looks like a T-Rex, and his mouth opens. Oh, look. Look what's inside. There's a head inside there.
I see something.
What? What is this? Let's get it out. It's a Stegosaurus with a big, like, hook claw machine.
Yeah, let's do this one.
Okay, you open that one. I'll open this one.
Okay. This is. Oopsie, I see something, Daddy. I see something.
What do you see?
I don't know what this dinosaur is.
Look. We have another Triceratops.
I don't know this
And look.
one is. Daddy, I see
He's got a hook and he's on springs.
Daddy, I see something. Daddy, I see something.
What? What do you see?
I see this. This is the rocket ship of dinosaur.
Okay, let's see if we can get it out of there. And then this one is another Triceratops.
Yeah.
And look, wait, let me show everybody on camera. It's a big water tank and it's got a blaster on top.
Yeah, it's a rocket ship dinosaur.
Oh, look, and these are friction drive too.
Daddy, now let's do this one.
See, look, you can push them and they keep going.
Oh, Daddy, I see something.
Awesome.
I see something.
All right.
Cheers, Tom.
All right, let's get them out. I'll help you. I help you.
I see it.
Oh, it's a cement mixer Triceratops.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Yeah, I know these ones.
Yep.
And they can drive.
How cool is that? Now look, on the front of these they have a button. And what happens if you push that button? Now it's a robot.
Yeah.
Try yours. Try this one. Because we're going to turn them all into one big robot too.
Okay.
Ready? Push the button on the front.
Right here.
What? How cool is that? Look, they all turn into robots. We are robots.
Now let's try this one.
This one just opens up like this. Look at this. That's a big robot head. How cool.
Let's see.
Oh, look.
Whoa.
Dang. So, these are all dinosaur-based construction equipment. They transform into smaller robots, but we can also put all these together. What, buddy?
Look, this robot.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And they're going to make one bigger robot. So let's see if we can figure out how to turn this into a giant robot. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so it all starts with this guy.
But this.
Oh, look. Look, you pull it out.
Pew, pew,
Down.
pew.
All right.
Please get these down. Come on. These legs are too.
All right, we're building a big robot over here. Are you watching?
Yeah. I knew watching. Guys.
Okay.
I can close.
Look at that.
this.
We got arms. Oh, we got a T-Rex head up here for protection. We have two arms. We have a big old head.
Dad, can you close this? Can you close this?
Can I close this? Of course I can.
Yeah, and you're
There.
too strong. And I can pew
Now,
lasers
these-
out to the robot.
Hold on, these are going to be his legs. I think this opens up.
Dad, I
And
wish.
this one goes in here. And then look, does this one open up too? Yep. Look, it opens up. And then that leg goes in there. This is pretty cool. It's not as complicated as I thought it was going to be. Dude! Look at this guy! How awesome is that?
Yeah!
And they have multiple different ways that you can transform him, which is really cool. But I like this way. What do you think?
Yeah.
Because now you have a hook arm like a pirate. You have a big claw over here for crushing. You have a big T-Rex head. Right? How cool is that, dude? Oh, and he spins. Is it good or is it bad?
It's good.
It's good? You like it? So anyway, this is Mecha. He's a construction transforming robot. Each individual truck turns into a robot and then they all come together and form Mecha. How cool is that? I hope this video helps and thanks for watching.